This is Bitcoin, and this is what's up, and this is how it has been performing. Yeah, I'm the Kenyan Mexican, and we are looking at the price of Bitcoin. Actually, this chart is showing how Bitcoin has been performing since it was launched back in 2009. Actually, there is a lot of history that is around that, and all that history is what is informing the current price and the current fundamental analysis that we have right now. So this is how it has been performing since 2009 when it was launched by one or a group of people who gave themselves the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Yeah, no one knows who is Satoshi Nakamoto since it was launched. There is no one who has ever known the real identity of Satoshi Nakamoto. We are in 2026, and this is the current price of Bitcoin. It is trading at $71,834. Yeah, so that is the current price you can see here at the top. Yeah, that is the current price, and this is how it has been performing. Yeah, apart from just now the current dip, you can see price has had very many other dips before. Yeah, so the current chart that you're looking is showing the green candles are representing how price has been performing in terms of bullish momentum, or the buying momentum, and the red candles represent how price has been performing and showing the selling momentum. Yeah, so this is the current price of Bitcoin and the chart and how it has been performing. Yeah, just coming down to this analysis here, we are able now to zoom in and see what is happening. Yeah, we can be able to see this current or this previous point here where price had uh, made its forecasting visuals mention. Yeah, I wanted this rectangle here just to map out this zone here. You can see this zone here was a previous resistance zone here. Price had gotten resisted twice here, and then it consolidated around this area again, and then broke out, retested, bounced up again, and now it has come to retest the same zone again. Yeah, there is a lot of controversies, and we might be getting a lot of fundamental analysis to show that price might continue going down up to this point. But again, price might get bounced or rejected at this point, and this support zone actually supports the current price of Bitcoin, and then it keeps going up. Yeah, so that is what's up and what is happening maybe in details. These are in terms of months. You can see in the last how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the last 5 months, price has been down since September 20 August August 2025. Price uh, moved from the all-time high here, and it has been bearish since then. Of course, if we are measuring these previous if we are measuring the previous price performances, we can see now this is the current dip. Actually, this is the current pullback where price has pulled back with a negative 52%, and you can see if it pulls back again, the previous pullbacks show that price had pulled back from this area up to this area, and we had a 77%, a negative 77%. And if we try now to go again and measure the previous pullback, you can see price had pulled back from that all-time high up to this low, and you can see that was a negative 84%, and that was back in 2017 2018. All right, Then we have another pullback here where price had pulled back from all-time high here, and it pulled back down and made an 86% from the impulse move that it had done previously. So it doesn't mean that the negative will show that price is going to zero. It just shows the negative or the pullback that price has made from the previous stretch or impulse move. Yeah, those are some of the previous retests or pullbacks, and you can see in terms of percentages, the current one that we have is actually a small one, and price might bounce from the current pullback, which is price is being rejected at a support zone. It was a previous resistance zone has now turned to be a support zone. Yeah, so currently that is what's up, and thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and yeah, do your own research before investing into any of these digital assets. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.